Hey guys, how's it going? Nate here. Welcome to the tool shed. This is how to install the head on your newly acquired 40 volt Makita string trimmer. GRU01 is the model number. So mine came like this. Your mileage may vary, but came with this plastic flange on the head. So what you're going to do is you're going to find two tools that come with a kit. You got this silver wrench here and then this Allen wrench. First thing you're going to do, take the Allen wrench, insert it into the hole right under the head. While applying light pressure, turn the head clockwise until the Allen wrench fully seats. So it'll kind of click into place and just kind of hang there. So now what you can do is you can take out this bolt. It's going to be on there. And it's reverse threaded, so you're going to turn it clockwise to loosen it, which is the opposite of normal. But it works. Pop that right off. Then you're going to take this metal flange, or excuse me, plastic piece off. Then mine also came with an extra washer. I'm just going to take off. I'm going to take your new head. You're just going to screw it on counterclockwise until it seats, and then tighten it by hand. At that point, you can take out your Allen wrench and you are done installing the head on your new Makita string trimmer. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.